Internet data consumption, the apps. Many of us use in our daily life, especially in our smartphones, iPhones, tablets, and other mobile applications such as YouTube, Spotify, online radio, and especially social networks. These habits extend vacations, weekend gateways, etc. by posing the trip considering our hotel camping, having Wi-Fi and can access all this information without having to use our data plan. We are aware that some of the applications that we like require a lot of bandwidth, greater than our band. But are we really aware of the actual consumption of the same? Below, we provide a table with the time consumed. We would see the data rate we have available, whether in our mobile fee or a hotel. Table of data consumption. YouTube. It is one of the most widespread applications, especially as regards the younger age Vermos. Also, we do not use this application currently only viewing videos from YouTube, but also to upload, further increasing consumption data. We are well used to viewing the videos in HD quality, but this involvement increased almost by 6 the number of data that would be consuming about viewing on 360p. For example, if we see a video of 5 minutes duration at 1080p, we would be consuming 62 megabytes, and if we did to 360p, would consume only 13.33 megabytes. Spotify. Since Spotify, mobile devices evolved. Many of us missed the chance to take our songs to all places. But at what cost? As in almost all cases, megabyte consumption depends on the quality, and in this case would be multiplied by 3 consumptions. Radio online. Thanks to smartphones, radio has been able to continue to enjoy their usual or not followers and take them everywhere. Consumption depends on each station or radio network and may vary from 32 to 128 kilobytes per second. Online games. In the case of online gaming, it all depends on the complexity of the game. In this case, the information refers to games like Battlefield, Bad Company 2, Call of Duty, etc. It's quite graphic quality games to which we would like to play a night in a hotel room. Such applications have always had the reputation of consuming a lot amount of data, but surprisingly consume around of 20 to 25 kilobytes per second. This would make a 1.5 megabyte per minute. Facebook, social networks. Social networks by far outweigh all other applications in terms of number of users and time concerned. These are methods by which we communicate with our relatives or acquaintances. As a social network of reference and representative of the others, we have Facebook, chatting through Facebook. Viewing pictures or viewing some links for 1 minute consumption is only 1 megabyte. But if you multiply this little fact for as long as some people are using this application, 7 hours per month, would be talking about 420 megabytes. Skype. This is one of the most used applications from phones and tablets to make voice and video calls on all international. If we travel, it is one of the most common used applications to contact our family from our hotel, or place for us to settle those days' options. Considering all this consumption of megabytes or gigabytes, you will get the idea of the internet data consumption of a single user. In addition, we must consider that if this is a service that will offer hotel user, client will not analyze the bandwidth that is consumed. Therefore, it is highly recommended, if not essential, to have a hotspot with which to manage both the maximum data that can consume a room such as pages, applications that could not be accessed by excessive consumption of data or other reasons.